Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. Say what you want to say, 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 what you want to no one.
You gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no. Big boss, oh no. You gotta get up every morning. Big boss getting richer every minute. Oh no.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. Hope everybody's having a good day. We are set up on Topstep. Let's get it. Sorry about yesterday, guys. We had a little bit of an emergency on the rental front. Had some wrong pricing out, so I had to kind of just stop everything that I was doing and take care of it immediately. Long gold idea, eh, Powerhouse? All right, maybe. I took a long on NQ. This is the second time I'm taking a long here. I took a long already once, took a PT, and then got stopped out, and then just re-entered again. Let's have a look at the ecom calendar first and foremost. Oh yeah, we got a lot of data coming up today in 15 minutes. Wow. Core CPIs. So this is really close to the stop. Probably not the best idea. This is probably going to go nuts. I'm going to close this trade and wait for the CPI numbers, because I think this is going to get swept. All right, TradingView working. I mean, this is on the hourly or this is on the 4 hour? Yeah, you know, maybe. But I do like how it's holding on to this. Getting back above this. Getting back above this is a first step. It's a tight stop, so that's okay. Yeah, you should be playing this, right? So having closes above is good, and then when it came back down, play this and have tight stops. Yeah, you could do it like that. Yeah, are you in this trade already? You're already in it. Yeah, good. I was gonna say it's a bit late if you're not. Is it MGC? Yeah. So this one had a pretty decent gain here, and then retesting this block was where I would have wanted to get in. Gaining this block too. This is another entry here. But with these CPI numbers coming, these are big numbers, right? So the market could go wild. I'd rather just wait until it's over, especially with this. Let me look at CL also here, man. We'll just add all these charts together that I don't usually trade too much. MCL. Front month. So we're set up on the Topstep account. We need to make $3,000. That's the deal. Well, oil's kind of in a spot. What's this worth here? Long oil might be a play. Not too far away from it. Let me just see what this is worth here. $26. Yeah, I can do 5 of those. Let me just look at oil here for a sec. On the 4 hour, where are we? Where are we? Oil looks like a buy here, man. To me. This looks like consolidate. Like this looks like accumulation here to me. I think we could test it up here pretty easily. Look at these. Look at this 4 hours though. It's just brutal. They did gain and they held, so worth a shot anyway. These CPI numbers might push it. I think long oil right here right now. Stops here. I'm gonna do it. $100 stop. $200 stop. I think I'll even put it there. $100 stop. And then here for the majority of it. Let's see what happens. We got numbers in 10 minutes, so the wrong fucking chart. We're on the wrong screen. We got numbers in 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens with those. I might just get stopped out. Who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? And gold on the 4 hour. Let me look at it. Yeah, gold looks a little rough. Are they on the daily? What's going on here? They did take the liquidity underneath. Did they gain a 4 hour? No, not yet. I'd wait for them to gain this on gold before anything. Did they gain an hourly? Gain a 1 hour? They did gain a 1 hour, but just barely. So the trade is already underway on gold. And like, I don't know, man, they gained the 1 hourly and then they just failed the 4. So I don't know. I like the long oil a little bit better. Let's see what happens. I was long here and here too, but I got stopped out and profit in this one. And this one I got 1 PT and then I got the be right back thing on. I'm talking. That's stupid. Bit tired today, boys. Let's have a look at some of your charts. You're full out on this one, Powerhouse. Let me see. Bitcoin. You You didn't hit the PT spot yet though, yeah? You're in this trade already? I would have missed this trade if it was me trading. I would have had my entries here. And it would have ran away from me. Took this also. What else did you take? Oh, that's second PT. Yeah. This is the Bitcoin trade. Yeah. Yeah, this is good trade right here, man. You know, I might have entered this a little bit early. Oops. But yeah, right here is the gap, right? When you look for those gaps, it makes your entries a lot easier, man. Really. Once I started looking for those gaps, it's like, yeah, it makes everything a lot easier. All right, we just got a fat CL trade on. We got numbers in 7 minutes. Let's see what happens. I really should have stayed in this. I really should have stayed in this ES trade. I got kind of shooken out a little bit of this one. I was in an ES trade and I cut it, and then I cut these this NQ trade too because of the numbers. The stop is too close, man. Like I think they can wipe that. About the Bitcoin trade? Yeah, I was just saying that it's when you look for these gaps, it makes your entries a lot easier, right? These gaps here. Apologies about the stream, boys. We're getting some drop frames. I think I'm gonna cancel the kick one and just. Oh, Powerhouse is watching on Kick. Rough times, man. Sometimes with the internet here in Bali. So I'm just gonna wait to see what happens with the numbers here on the CL trade. Looks like we're getting a little bit of action just prior to the numbers here coming in. Oh, God. Just the Twitch one is bad. I don't know why. You know? I don't think the Bitcoin run is over yet, dude. I think we're far from it, man. This might be the only dip that we get. The dip that already happened. I don't think we're going back down to like 70K. I think we're going to like 110 or something like that. All right, man. Numbers in 3 minutes. Let's see what happens here. And then I can go through some other charts after and just have a look and see what's going on after the numbers. Another minute 48 seconds. Yeah, man, like no one really knows how far Bitcoin can go, right? Like it could go to like 500,000, honestly. It could go to 1 million. Like no one really knows. But I don't imagine it going that high before there's a massive pullback, right? I imagine somewhere between 100 and 200. And, you know, somewhere in there, there's going to be a massive pullback to probably 70. Something like that. I still have my my positions. I'm actually moving them out of my hard wallets and putting things on exchanges now. Like some of my big crypto money, I'm putting it in there and just setting PTs. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna be moving everything over and just setting PTs and just not even paying attention to it really. I'll still, obviously I'll pay attention to it. I'm going to be fucking trading, but you know, not sweating it, you know, just like kind of putting my PTs in there and just like, that's it. If it hits, it hits. I'm already 25% out from the 20K buys. So probably want to take another 10% or so at around 100K. And then the next one's probably not until 120. All right, are these the numbers? Is this it? What's going on? Did like my whole computer, everything lag out? Oh my God. My charting software lagged out because the internet disconnected. Oh yeah. CPI, look at that. Should have left my trades going, boys. Honestly, man, I just want to log in and trade, man. You know? Really? Like I need to shut everything down while the CPI numbers are launching? You know what I mean? Like, what is this shit, dude? Yes. Really, man? Just took an oil trade. I wish I knew how mine was going. You know what I mean? Just brutal, man. You lose the internet connection here, every piece of software you have just goes down. Yeah, they're out. This is what they are. Oil didn't move. I should have stayed in my longs. Damn it. I had longs, dude. Damn it. That's frustrating, man. I had longs in both of these, man. Oil moved a bit, but not much. Really, like, this is where my PT was, man, for it too. My God, that sucks. Pretty big move on the futures, man. Let's have a look at YM too. Let's have a look at YM. I should have YM up. What is that giving me? Front month. Look at this blast off, man. Wow. I'm in the wrong product here today. Gold doesn't look too bad actually either. Look over the stocks. Stocks must have had a nice pump with those CPI numbers. Not really yet. Nothing pre-market. None of mine anyway. Tesla up 3%. Wow, look at these. Look at this go, man. Wow, what a move. trying